ripped out all my parts. And worst of all, for me to live, I gotta kill the part of me that saw. And I needed you more. I hope you know we had everything when you broke me and left these pieces. I want you to hurt like you hurt me today, and I want you to lose like I lose when I play what could have been. What could have been. Why don't you love who I am? What we could have been. I am your ghost, a fallen angel. You ripped out all my parts. I couldn't care what invention you made me, 'cause I was meant to be yours. Could have been.
А ты не стесняйся, он свое дело знает, получай удовольствие.
Помни, не доставай смычок, пока он сам не попросит. Ну или хотя бы не заснет.
Эх, ну вот и живи теперь с этим.